Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn on highlights of speak selection in iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then scroll up and go to accessibility. There you will find read and speak option over here. Click on that and then you will see the third option over here, speak selection. Click on that and you will get the second option over here, highlights. You can customize highlight styles, colors and selections for in-app text that is spoken aloud. So once you click on that, it's going to be in this page, and you have to do is click on that toggle and it's going to be turned on. And that's it. That's how you can turn on highlights of speak selection in iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.